Okay, so this is my Leblond Regal. I don't know what bed length it is. Decent length. I think it's 13 swing. I had the old classic feed screw issue. Well, cross top slide screw. As you can see over here on the one end, I had nice threads. And in the middle, I had shitty threads. My nut is also shitty, so I've now gone ahead. I've made myself a brand new screw. There it is. Key on the one side. Acme threads. I fucked up on the lathe and it's a 3 pitch. I cut it 3 pitch, so it's not 8 TPI like that one is, but it's close enough. I've got my what is it? 20 TPI 1/2 inch UNF threaded on there. And I went ahead and I made a brand new cast iron nut, as you can see here, with the new threads in there. It's a little bit more bulky than the original one, and it fits in here nicely. I'll put the measurements in the description of the video, I guess. And then I also went ahead and I tapped here UNF 20 TPI 1/2 inch, so that I could reuse this bolt, because I'm trying to keep it authentic. This one had a keyway in here, and I thought to myself, oh, there's no stupid, it's probably for a stupid lock washer. I see now it's a washer with a little pin in it, and I've now neglected to slap that keyway in here, so I'll have to make a plan there. But further, the thread is a little bit longer. Like you can see here, I knew that doesn't mean the world, so I made it a little bit longer, the little shoulder there. If you look here where the thread is, you look here, my thread's a little bit longer. Again, it doesn't really matter that much. And of course, on the other side, I thought I'd rather be safe and give it longer sticking out the back, because I mean that part just sticks out the back. So I'm gonna see if I can slap it in here, see how the lathe cuts, and hopefully I've got a new fixed cross slide for the price of a new piece of EN8, let's say $100 for the steel, not even 100 Rand. And the nut I got from work, but I'd probably say this wouldn't be more than 50 Rands worth of cast iron. Let's say $100.